Welcome to the world of economics. Today we will study about the few basic concepts about economics. Before that, I will give a brief introduction about the economics, what we study in first PUC. So, in first PUC we will study economics in two parts. The first part is statistics for economics and the second part is Indian economic development. In the first part, statistics for economics, we will study about the importance of statistics in studying economics, and we will study about the collection of data, organizing the data, interpreting the data, presenting the data, and in the second part of the syllabus we will study about how the Indian economy developed from it destroyed by the colonial rule or by the British. From there, how we became the fifth largest economy. We will study the journey of Indian economic development. Before studying the economics, let's understand how did the term economics came. So, the economics word came from two Greek words, namely oikos and nomos. The meaning of oikos is household and nomos means management. It does not merely say that it is a management of household, as we have our ancient slogan that Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is one family, and also we came up with new term called global village. There are four definitions of economics. The first one is given by Adam Smith, who is also called as father of economics. He gave the wealth definition, meaning economics is a study of wealth. And Alfred Marshall, who is a famous economist from the West, he also said that he gave welfare definition, meaning economics is the study of mankind in ordinary business of life. Now we will discuss about what is the need of studying economics, why economics is needed. So basically there are 5 problems in every economy, that is how to produce, what to produce, for whom to produce, when to produce, and how to distribute the resources. These questions are answered by 3 different economic systems, that is called capitalist economy, socialist economy, and mixed economy. In capitalist economy, these questions are answered by market forces. There are 2 market forces. They are demand and supply. Demand and supply will decide what to produce, how to produce, when to produce, for whom to produce, and also for how to distribute the produced goods and services. And in socialist economy, the state, meaning the government, will decide what to produce, how to produce, when to produce, for whom to produce, and how to distribute. And there is a third type of economic system which is called mixed economy, which is what India adopted. In this, both market forces and government will together decide what to produce and how to produce, and also will answer all these 3 questions. It is very important to learn few terms to understand economics in deep. So the most important term is consumer. We often use consumer and customer in wrong context. Consumer means the one who consumes or the one who uses the goods or services. Customer means the one who purchases. It need not be both customer and consumer be the same person. Let's say for example, for baby products, the parents who buy the products are customer, and the baby who uses or who consumes the product, the baby is called consumer in this example. Producer is the one who manufactures goods or services. He is also the one who converts raw material into finished goods. Seller is the one who sells the goods and services. He is an intermediary between the manufacturer and the consumer or the customer. There are few economic problems to be addressed, and the major 3 are unlimited wants, scarcity of resources, and alternative uses. Before understanding unlimited wants, we should know what are needs and wants. Needs are basic necessities of life like food, shelter, education, health care. These are needs, they are not wants. Wants are desires. Desires meaning they are unlimited. If you have a bike, you desire about the car. If you have a car, you desire about some posh cars. Likewise, needs are limited and wants are unlimited. And the second type of economic problem is scarcity of resources. The resources which are available in this world, like natural resources or man-made resources or artificial resources, they are limited. They are not unlimited. That is why using it efficiently is one another problem. And the third problem is alternative uses. Every resource we have alternative uses. For example, water. Water can be used for drinking and also for cleaning vessels and for bathing. For different purposes, we use water. There are few type of resources. They are called as factors of production, meaning what we use in the production process. They are land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. Land means not the physical land, it includes all the infrastructure, and labor means the people who work for it, and capital means it comes with risk. Capital is the what we invest in our production process, and entrepreneurship means the person who takes risk for profit. For example, if you are starting a college, what are the requirements? The first thing is land to build the infrastructure, and the second thing is you need labor to build that infrastructure, and the third thing is to pay the laborers and also to invest in land and infrastructure you need capital, and the fourth thing is the person who starts college, he is taking risk by investing his money into the college. And the alternative use of resources will come with opportunity cost. Now what is opportunity cost? Opportunity cost means the best next alternative foregone, meaning every resource have alternative uses. If you pick one use of that, if for example if you take consume water for drinking, you have lost the opportunity of using that water for bathing. So you have two options, you will choose one. The next best alternative you foregone, that is called as opportunity cost. And there are different types of activities. The first one is economic activities and the second one is non-economic activities. Economic activities meaning in which the activities involve monetary, that is called economic activities, meaning if the money is involved in activity, that is called economic activities. If money is not involved, that is called as non-economic activities. For example, economic activities, any business, if you start a startup, that is economic activity because you are investing money in that and you are expecting profit out of it. If you are doing yoga regularly, every day if you are doing yoga or exercising or working out at gym, that is non-economic activity because money is not involved. You are not investing money in that, you are not expecting profit out of it. As we discussed earlier about economic activities, there are types of economic activities. One is production and the second one is consumption, the third one is distribution. So for production means converting raw materials into finished goods. It consumes factors of production. For production process you need all these things. We have discussed it already. And the rewards for factors of production is for land. What is the reward for land? Rent is the reward. And for labor, wages. Why do the labor work? For wages. And capital, out of capital you can earn interest. And for entrepreneurship, for taking risk, you will earn profits in return. These are the rewards for factors of production. And consumption means what the whole economy is consuming. When it comes to larger perspective, if we take India as a whole or a country as a whole, that is called macroeconomics. If we take in individual, that is called microeconomics. Microeconomics is related to individuals and macroeconomic is related to the whole country or the whole economy. And the distribution refers to the study of how the returns or the rewards are distributed among the people of the economy.